It's going to be a long road, and I think we need to make that clear. You don't get out of the depths overnight, but it's simple. You pay off your debt to not only the international financial institutions, but private banks, or you reschedule them. Then you still have other debt that you have to pay off, and that's what makes it so hard.
Yeah.
So the only way to do that is with the help of the international financial institutions, but more importantly, the private sector. And that's why it was so important to us that he go to Davos, that he go to Abidjan, Rwanda, that the mines minister go to South Africa for the endowment, because it's going to be the private sector that's going to bring positive change. You've seen the Asian tigers, you've seen Rwanda. All of them adopted the same thing. They made it easy for foreign and domestic investors to come in. They got rid of corruption. They made opportunities through infrastructure, which lowers costs. These are things that we believe Zimbabwe will have to do. It can no longer be a society where government officials were rent seekers or got wealthy through patronage or imported countless Land Rovers and Rolls at the expense of the average person.